Your car says a lot about you, and the right gadgets can completely transform the way you drive every single day. From smart organizers and life-saving emergency tools to premium comfort upgrades and viral accessories, these are the car gadgets people are buying like crazy right now. Some of them solve annoying problems instantly, while others make your vehicle feel futuristic and way more enjoyable. So before your next drive, road trip, or commute, make sure you watch till the end, because these 15 car essentials are seriously impressive. Tired of your phone sliding around every time you hit the brakes? The Jonancer magnetic phone mount fixes that instantly with an ultra-strong magnetic grip and a suction system designed to survive bumps, sharp turns, and rough roads. It rotates 360 degrees, folds into a pocket-sized design, and works perfectly with MagSafe devices. Whether you mount it on the dashboard or windshield, it keeps navigation right in front of you without blocking your view. If you want safer driving and a cleaner setup, this gadget is an easy upgrade. Would this make your daily drive more convenient? Messy cars instantly ruin the driving experience, and this Jinsko Mini Car Trash Can is one of those simple gadgets that changes everything. It fits directly into cup holders, side doors, or center consoles while keeping wrappers, tissues, and random trash completely hidden. The leak-proof lid traps odors inside, and it even includes extra trash bags plus storage hooks for added organization. It's compact, stylish, and surprisingly useful for road trips or everyday commuting. Once you start using it, your car stays cleaner without extra effort. Could your vehicle use this small but smart cleanup upgrade? If your trunk looks like complete chaos after groceries, tools, or sports gear, the Odor Trunk Organizer is exactly what you need. With 2 massive compartments and extra mesh pockets, it keeps everything separated, visible, and easy to grab. The durable Oxford material handles heavy loads, while the foldable design saves space whenever you don't need it. This is the kind of gadget that instantly makes your car feel more organized and premium. No more items rolling around every corner you take. Do you think your trunk needs this level of organization? Most people never think about emergency tools until it's too late, and that's why this Coogio Car Emergency Kit is such an important buy. Inside the compact bag, you get jumper cables, a tire pressure gauge, gloves, first aid supplies, an LED headlight, and other survival essentials for roadside situations. Whether it's a dead battery, bad weather, or a late-night breakdown, this kit helps you stay prepared and protected. It's compact enough to leave in your trunk without taking up space, but powerful enough to save the day when problems hit unexpectedly. Would you keep this safety kit in your car? Cleaning tight spaces inside your car is honestly frustrating, but this Ti-Carve cleaning gel makes it ridiculously easy. Just press the slime into air vents, cup holders, buttons, and tiny crevices, then pull it away with all the dust and crumbs attached. It's reusable, smells fresh, and leaves no sticky residue behind. This little gadget is perfect for keeping your interior looking detailed without spending a fortune on professional cleaning. Even keyboards and electronics can be cleaned with it. Could this become your new favorite detailing tool? Sometimes the smallest accessories make the biggest difference, and this flower-themed car vent clip proves it. Instead of boring air fresheners, this cute dashboard decoration adds personality, color, and fragrance all at once. The flower design gives your interior a stylish aesthetic while the fresh scent keeps the cabin pleasant during every drive. It blends into almost any car interior and works great as a gift too. If you enjoy customizing your vehicle and making it feel more welcoming, this accessory is definitely worth checking out. Would you add this decorative touch to your dashboard? Want your car to smell luxurious instead of like fast food in traffic? The Hoga Life Hanging Air Freshener delivers a premium fragrance experience with long-lasting vanilla cream scent that can last for weeks. The glass bottle and wooden cap design looks surprisingly elegant hanging from your rearview mirror, making your interior feel more upscale instantly. Unlike cheap cardboard fresheners, this diffuser creates a richer and more relaxing atmosphere during every drive. It's stylish, effective, and incredibly simple to use. What scent would you want filling your car every day? Digging around your car for sunglasses while driving is not only annoying, it's dangerous. That's where the Cosmoi magnetic sunglasses holder comes in. This sleek leather visor clip securely holds your glasses with strong hidden magnets, while keeping them easy to grab with one hand. It also works for tickets, cash, and small cards without cluttering your interior. The soft material protects your glasses from scratches, and the compact design blends perfectly into almost any vehicle. It's one of those gadgets you don't realize you need until you try it. Could this solve an everyday driving problem for you? This tiny gadget could literally save your life one day. The RescMe Emergency Escape tool combines a seatbelt cutter and tempered glass breaker into a compact keychain-sized device. In emergencies like flooding, electrical failure, or accidents where doors won't open, this tool gives you a fast escape option within seconds. It's lightweight, reusable, and easy to keep attached to your keys or inside your car. Hopefully you never need it, but having it nearby brings serious peace of mind every time you drive. Would you trust yourself on the road without an emergency escape tool? A flat tire can completely ruin your day, but the Astro AI Tire Inflator helps you handle the problem in minutes. Plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet, preset your desired pressure, and let the smart auto shutoff system do the rest. The digital display makes readings easy, while the built-in LED light is perfect for nighttime emergencies. It's compact enough to store almost anywhere and powerful enough to inflate tires quickly whenever needed. This is one of those must-have gadgets every driver should keep in their vehicle. Do you already carry a tire inflator in your car? Long road trips with kids can get chaotic fast, but the Lamicall headrest tablet holder makes backseat entertainment way easier. The adjustable extension arm lets passengers move the screen closer for a comfortable viewing angle, while the strong mounting system keeps devices stable during drives. It supports phones and tablets of multiple sizes, making it perfect for movies, games, or online learning on the road. Installation takes seconds and instantly upgrades your travel experience. If you travel often with family, this gadget can be a total lifesaver. Would your passengers enjoy having this setup during trips? Getting into a scorching hot car during summer is the worst, and the EcoNour Windshield Sunshade solves that problem instantly. Designed with heat-blocking reflective material, it protects your dashboard, seats, and steering wheel from intense sunlight while keeping the interior dramatically cooler. It pops open in seconds, folds away easily, and fits most vehicles without hassle. This is one of those affordable accessories that makes a huge difference every single day during hot weather. If you park outside often, this gadget is basically essential. How much cooler do you think your car would feel with this installed? Strong odors inside a car can make every drive unpleasant, but the Febreze vent clips keep your interior smelling fresh for weeks. Just attach them to your air vents and enjoy a consistent fragrance every time the AC turns on. The adjustable intensity lets you control how strong the scent feels, making the experience more personalized. Unlike weak fresheners that fade quickly, these clips are designed for long-lasting odor control. It's a simple upgrade that instantly improves your entire driving environment. Which scent would make your car feel more enjoyable to drive? Whether you have kids, pets, or just want to protect your seats, the Merol's Car Seat Protector is a smart investment. The thick waterproof padding shields your upholstery from scratches, spills, dirt, and pressure marks while staying firmly in place during drives. It also includes storage pockets for snacks, toys, and travel essentials, making family trips much more organized. Installation is quick, cleaning is easy, and the universal fit works with most vehicles. This is one of those practical accessories that helps preserve your car's interior value over time. Would this help keep your seats looking brand new? Dead batteries never happen at a convenient time, and that's why the Febreze Jump Starter is such a powerful gadget to keep nearby. This portable jump starter delivers enough power to restart massive gas and diesel engines within seconds, while also functioning as a power bank for phones and electronics. It even includes built-in emergency lighting modes for nighttime situations. Despite its serious power, it's compact enough to fit inside your glove box or backpack. For road trips, emergencies, and daily peace of mind, this gadget is incredibly valuable. Would you feel safer carrying this jump starter in your vehicle? These were 15 incredible car gadgets that can make driving cleaner, safer, smarter, and way more comfortable. From emergency tools and smart organizers to premium accessories and daily convenience upgrades, every product on this list brings something genuinely useful to your car setup. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more viral gadget finds, and let me know in the comments which gadget surprised you the most. And trust me, the next gadget list is going to be even crazier.